Hello everyone, this video is mostly for the new teachers, but this is also a review for some of our old teachers. This will be some video series on how to set up your Remind for your classroom, or actually for your team. What you're going to need to go ahead and do is go to Remind, and you're going to sign up. If you're unfamiliar about it, you can feel free to click on this link that says see how it works. Step one, you're going to start signing up for it. So you're going to go to login. And the quickest way to do this is you're going to log in with your Google. Now, I highly recommend that you use your district account, so it'll be easier to set up. But for this video lesson, I'm going to go ahead and use my professional personal account. I'm going to put in my password. My password's already there. Click sign in. And then you are going to create a class. Okay, so in order to create the class, you are going to go under class owned, and you're going to click on, obviously, create a class. And we'll just give it a sample name, so we'll just call it sample. You can change your icons whenever you want by clicking on the edit icon. It's very important that you have this check mark. I will only message people 13 or older because some of our kids are younger, and we need to set those parameters. So, and again, you can have that feature turned on and off, so you don't have to message people. It is not required. Let me go back and spell class. You can create your class code, so you're not married to the code that they're giving you. Okay, sample with an 8 in there. I'll erase it later. So I'll click create. And yes, you want them to see all announcements. Okay, and that is the beginning of creating your class. You can print PDFs out, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, if I zoom in on this a little bit, I know you can probably barely see it, but this is what you can print out and give to your teachers. You can change the language on it, English or Spanish, as you can see on the side right here. You can get a shareable link to where you can send the link out to parents so they can join. Phone or email contacts. If you have a list of people, so say during Meet the Teacher night, you have a list of names and emails, you can add that as well. And there are also some in-person instructions that they can do as well. And that is part one of setting up your class.